Residential Locks Change. St. Peters, Missouri, 63376. If you've ever misplaced a key, or worse, had your keys stolen or your home was broken into, you know how terrifying it can be to feel like the safety and protection of your own home is no longer there. Suddenly, you know that storing any valuables in your home has become a major concern, and figuring out what you need to do to keep your family and valuables secure can be extremely stressful. Fortunately, there is an easy solution to all of these lock and home safety issues. Get your locks changed, rekeyed, or locks replaced by a skilled and reliable locksmith company working in the St. Peters, St. Charles County area. Master Locksmith of St. Charles has mobile residential locksmiths, who are highly trained and can easily change your front door locks. Our locks change professionals will remove the old door lock and replace it with a new lock from trusted brands like Schlage, Master Lock, Kwikset, Multi-Lock, Brinks, Baldwin, Medeco, or Yale. If you lose a key, having your house's door locks rekeyed is a viable option. But, if your keys are stolen, it's still a good idea to change the locks completely for peace of mind. Our St. Peters locksmiths have the knowledge and experience to help you with all of your home lock and key needs and more. Rather than changing the locks yourself, employ us. When you're in a situation where you need to change your locks, it's tempting to do it yourself. Unfortunately, without the expertise of a locksmith, changing the locks on your own can result in mistakes that make your home vulnerable to break-ins. Sometimes, just from years of use and not having maintenance, your door lock will just break or not work properly. This complicates things significantly because replacing a broken lock is extremely difficult. You should consider these issues when determining whether to change a lock yourself or employ a professional locksmith to repair or rekey locks for you. So, why call Master Locksmith of St. Charles to repair or replace your house locks? Our mobile locksmiths are working in St. Peters every day. Not only will we install a new door lock, but we will also walk you through the process and assist you in choosing the right lock for your particular door. A licensed locksmith can also rekey your old lock if you only want a few spare keys and want to maintain your old lock. That's why it's always a good idea to have the contact details for a local licensed locksmith on hand, because you never know when you'll need an extra key in an emergency. Remember that someone who can rekey locks should always be trustworthy, as you don't want anyone who isn't trustworthy to have a spare key to your home. What is the best way to locate a reputable St. Peters locksmith to perform a locks change at your home? If you live in St. Peters, Missouri, look no further, because we provide a wide variety of locksmith services for residents in 63301, 63304, 63303, and 63376. You can reach Master Locksmith of St. Charles, your trusted St. Peters locksmith, by calling us at 314-400-7054 or go to our St. Peters page on our website at https://masterlocksmithstl.com/locksmith-in-st-peters. If you live in a different location, Master Locksmith of St. Charles serves all of St. Charles County, including but not limited to St. Charles metro area, O'Fallon, Dardenne Prairie, Weldon Spring, Lake St. Louis, Wentzville, and Cottleville. If you ever find yourself in need of a rekey or a lock change, remember that it's always a good idea to hire a professional to do it for you, particularly if you want to have a safe home as soon as possible. Hire a trusted St. Peters locksmith and sleep soundly at night, knowing you have worked with a trusted, licensed, and insured St. Peters Locksmith Company. Call Master Locksmith of St. Charles at 314-400-7054. Customer service is ready to help you 24/7. We will send a locksmith to you immediately, day or night.